The Tories are failing Wales. In the last few months alone, the UK Tory government has failed to back the Swansea Bay tidal lagoon, broken promises to fund vital rail improvements in North and South Wales, refused to pause and fix its failed universal credit policy, and slashed funding to Wales, hitting vital public services. The people of Wales deserve better.
Welsh Labour MPs in Westminster are doing everything they can to build a country that works for the many, not the few. Week in, week out, we are holding a weak and divided Conservative government to account, battling for investment in the tidal lagoon, getting the best Brexit deal for Wales, protecting cultural and live music venues in Welsh towns and cities, leading the campaign against the fixed odd betting terminals that blight too many Welsh communities. And despite vicious Tory spending cuts imposed from London, Carwyn Jones and the Welsh Labour government in the National Assembly are transforming lives for the better.
Theresa May's government is letting Wales down. Her failing Brexit negotiations, cruel austerity cuts, and broken promises on infrastructure investment show that the Tories have no respect for Wales. But the Welsh Labour government is showing that there is a better way, delivering 20,000 more affordable homes to rent and buy and abolishing rip-off letting fees for private renters. At the same time, families will benefit from the most generous childcare for working parents anywhere in the UK. And while the challenges facing our Welsh NHS may be similar to England, the Welsh Labour response could not be more different to that of the Tories. More cash to help with winter pressures, a joined-up approach to health and social care, and dialogue, not confrontation, with our dedicated NHS staff.
I'm proud to lead a Welsh Labour Party that's standing up for Wales, opposing Theresa May's failed austerity in Westminster, while the Welsh Labour government supports and invests in the jobs, skills and industries that are the bedrock of a prosperous nation. The Tories continue to protect their big city backers while squandering £1 billion on a grubby deal with the DUP just to cling to power. But here in Wales, things are different. The Welsh Labour government is leading the way on housing, health and the economy. We've pledged huge investment to support projects like the tidal lagoon, while the Tory government in London refuses to release a penny. From Broughton to Bedwas, we are protecting local jobs while investing in training and apprenticeships to attract more jobs of the future to Wales. And in Wales, we will continue to do the right thing by our communities. That's why the Welsh Labour government has scrapped child burial fees and is investing an additional £10 million to end the scourge of youth homelessness. With more Tory cuts coming down the line, it's becoming ever harder to keep protecting public services and to invest in our future. But Welsh Labour is committed to doing all it can. And however big the challenges ahead, I know that Welsh Labour in Parliament, in the National Assembly and in council chambers across the country remains committed to doing right by the people of Wales and to standing up for Wales.